In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling on Wayfair. If you're ready to become a supplier on a major home marketplace, this walkthrough will guide you through the application process from the very first click to submitting your details with confidence. First, head to wayfair.com using a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Make sure you're on the official site and that your region settings are correct so you see the right options in the footer. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the home page. You're looking for the footer area where Wayfair keeps links for programs and company resources. There, you'll see the option labeled Sell on Wayfair. Click that to open the supplier information page. On the supplier page, choose Apply. This takes you to Wayfair's application flow where you can share details about your company and the products you plan to offer. When the application portal loads, select Get Started to begin filling out the form. You'll start by entering your business information. Provide your legal business name, business type, registered address, and any relevant website or online presence. Accuracy matters here. Use the exact legal details that appear on your official documents. If the form requests tax or payment-related information, make sure it matches your records and is up to date. Consistency helps prevent delays. After that, you'll be asked for additional information. This typically includes what product categories you sell, your catalog size, how you handle fulfillment and shipping, and any compliance or quality certifications you carry. Be clear and honest about your capabilities, processing times, and service levels. If you already have product imagery or a line sheet, be ready to reference the quality standard you maintain, as strong assets can set expectations for the partnership. Before you submit, take a moment to review everything. Double-check spellings, legal names, and contact details. Confirm your business description reflects your brand accurately and that your logistics information is realistic for your team. A careful review now helps avoid back and forth later. When everything looks correct, click Apply Now. Your application will be submitted to the Wayfair team. You should see a confirmation on screen and may receive a follow-up message. Keep an eye on your inbox in case they request clarifications or supporting documents. Once you're approved, you can start selling. You'll gain access to the supplier portal, where you can list products, manage inventory, and set shipping options. Having clean product data, clear images, and reliable fulfillment processes ready will make onboarding faster and help you launch smoothly. That's the complete process. Pause and replay as needed, and good luck with your Wayfair supplier journey.